Alright guys, so quickly showcasing my vehicle's condition after driving for 27.5 thousand kilometers. Now despite so many damages caused by Ola during the service visits and keeping the issues pending like wobbling and alignment issues, my vehicle, I continue to maintain it in the best possible manner. This is the condition of my vehicle. I do dry cleaning every time I find time. This is how the wheels, after being driven for more than 7,000 kilometers or so, they are almost in brand new condition. So, since the time I purchased this vehicle, I'm witnessing problem like delivery of the vehicle being delayed by more than 3 months. 17th of March, I purchased the vehicle and it was delivered only on 26th or 28th of June after so many escalations. While delivering the vehicle, the boot got shut permanently with charger and these mirrors inside. Talking about mirror, as you can see, there is a play in this mirror. Left mirror start developing this play. I don't know why it is there, but because of which the mirror comes down, this particular play. Okay, so there are some sticky issues with the vehicle and Ola is unable to resolve them. And on top, after every service visit, they damage the vehicle and they do not replace the damaged parts. Like I had communicated before, they damaged this particular portion. Not sure if you can see it. Increase the brightness. Here, can you see? So they have damaged the vehicle. This lever had scratches here. It was pending replacement, and few weeks ago, one person at my basement, they passed a bike beneath it and have extended this lever quite a bit. So I told them to replace at least this lever because this is the main brake and I normally apply brakes only in case of emergency, otherwise I don't even use the brakes. But they simply told me that I'll have to pay for it if I want the brake to be replaced. Now, because of the wobbling issue, two of these mobile holders have got damaged. One was damaged while putting this mirror back after opening it to troubleshoot the wobbling issue. That person over tightened this thing and he broke the mirror from here in front of the area service manager, Rajiv Sharma. And second mirror, which I had put, it got damaged because of the wobbling issue. It was shaking violently and it got broken from here without any warning or anything. All of a sudden, while I was driving, it got broken off with my phone inside. My 1 lakh rupee worth phone inside. It got broken. Somehow, I held it like this while driving. I held it like this and stopped the vehicle using forced regen. I was at the speed of 95 kilometers an hour. But yeah, that's about it. They keep damaging the vehicle. Now, look at this number plate. They damaged it in February 2023, and they still haven't replaced this number plate. It got damaged from here, and it kept on, basically tearing from there till bottom, and eventually it fell off. They are not even able to tell me how to get this number plate replaced. And I'm riding this vehicle for the past 5 months, more than 5 months, in this condition, with no solution they have for me. So, this is the situation with Ola. Since June 2024, I have this strong wobbling issue, and they haven't been able to fix it. They have only seen it 3 to 4 times. Actually, not 3 to 4 times. Actually, only 2 times. And only once their engineer Salim, who's from Jammu, he simply told me that it's my placebo. Is it a placebo that the handle shakes violently like this? These folks are beyond comprehension. Now, they have promised that they will fix this issue tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I'll update you accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.